The decision by CORD-affiliated MCAs to snap today's sittings paralyzed attempts by their Jubilee counterparts to debate a motion which may see Kidero sent packing if it gets majority backing. The Jubilee MCAs had vowed to go ahead with the planned debate even after Kidero was issued with a court injunction outlawing the debate. After minutes of waiting in the county assembly,
we have no quorum to carry on business of the day. The House is adjourned until tomorrow.
Only 34 MCAs had showed up for the sitting. For the motion to have been debated, the House needed at least a third of the total 127 members of the county assembly. Outside the county assembly, the Jubilee team was not about to relent.
A court order cannot stop a constitutional process. What the governor would have done is that he would have waited for the outcome of this particular process. And then after the outcome, he would have challenged that particular outcome. He was given 7 days to appear and defend himself of all the allegations. But because of his ignorance and because of the kind of person he is, he has ignored this assembly. And that is why we are going forth. He has even maneuvered to compromise some of our members.
They say attempts to frustrate debate on the motion is a clear indication their CORD counterparts are determined to mask the rot in Nairobi.
I know they are trying always to defeat justice. But I want to assure you, ladies and gentlemen, that this particular issue will not go away from the minds of the people of Nairobi.
Kidero has since obtained a court injunction barring the assembly from debating the motion. His lawyer George Keithy says that the tabling of the motion was irregular, with some MCAs claiming that their signatures were forged, sentiments the determined Jubilee-affiliated MCAs could not listen to. Keithy, however, says attempts to bring up the motion for debate in the county assembly will be in contempt of court.
Today, the motion was stayed, the summons was stayed, and the proceedings of today could not take place on account of the order of the court. Tomorrow, the same will be repeated on account of the fact that the order of the court will continue to subsist, and also the following day, that is the 3 days upon which the motion has a life, that still will be under the supervision of the court.
It remains to be seen which tactics the MCAs will employ in their ploy to send Kidero home, considering the judiciary, which is the ultimate arbiter in such matters, has already pronounced itself. Caroline Kamar reporting for Channel 1 News Hour.